Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the speed of a video in InShot. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on video here, and after that select the video from here. Press on the checkmark symbol, and after that you can just press on speed. And now you can just change the speed of the video. You can see here the exact number, and you can just leave it on that. Press on the checkmark symbol, and now you can just simply exit the video. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.